Alright, today we got booster pack. Got this for a birthday present from my friend Scarlet Violet. Paldea Evolved. Down there. I also got 2 other packs of Paldea and then 5 cards. Yeah, Scarlet and Violet EX. So where I got these, funny story. So I hung out with my friends today, and we kind of went to McDonald's and everything, and we got free food. And my friend's like, my friend works at that McDonald's, and he's like, wow. And so they called him in, like, hey, you want to work? Because they were like de-staffed or understaffed. And he's like, yeah, it works. And we drove around for a minute. Obsidian Flames and Scarlet Violet. Okay. This hollow Palafin. Pretty mid. Hollow Gardensenal. Hollow Baxcalibur. Baxcalibur's not that great. I mean, the Baxcalibur's pretty good. I want to complain. And Pikachu coin. Yeah. So anyways, I went to my local game store to get these packs, and to well, not to get these packs, to try to sell. And he goes off eBay, and I was trying to sell this. I go by TCG Player. I pulled an earthen vessel a couple days ago, which is worth around 60 bucks, ungraded raw, on TCG Player, and he was trying to offer me 30 bucks for it. I'm like, oh heck nah. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Do not go off eBay, guys. I mean, he's a nice guy and all, but I don't think I could ever sell that guy. And yeah, this is my code card. All right, so this was Obsidian Flames. And so we got Dark Energy. Togepi, Bonsly, Olive, Temple, Frogadier, Snot Loud, Darmanitan, another Darmanitan, a Heatmore, and a Thundurus Hollow. Okie dokie. Pretty mid first pack for Obsidian Flames. Okay. I didn't expect too much out of that hit. I don't even know the pack trick for the Japanese cards. We got Scarlet and Violet. Got that blister pack birthday present, but I'm pretty sure they go for about, yeah, they go for about 10 bucks, maybe 13 bucks after tax. All right. Oh, another Dark Energy. Okay. Put that card over there. Okay, Dark Energy, Houndoom, Fido, Scatterbug, Drifloon. Hey, that's what we like to see. Some freaking Gardevoir EX deck. Miram. Oh, a Lucario. Florges. Mezzagoza. And Ghidini Hollow. 2 packs, 2 non-hits. What the frick? So yeah, that guy, I don't know. I know I was kind of talking to my friend and you see Discord messages about it. I would need, alright, so I'm gonna open Paldea Evolved first. That'd be pretty nice to get a hit from this. I think the reason I got this was to get the Baxcalibur Pre-Evolution. I want to make a Baxcalibur deck. I don't know, I just bought it for fun. I was kind of like upset. Maybe this was like a little gambling purchase, you know. Because, like, that guy, he wasn't trying to scam me, I don't think, but it still kind of sucked that, like, he went off eBay. And not TCG player, but, hey, his store, not mine. Litleo, Rockruff, Palmy, Larvitar, Palmo, Gotharita, Honchgrow, Nackley, Marill, and oh my god, a Gyarados Hollow. What the frick? Another pack, no hit. 3 packs down, nothing. Will Paldea evolve to give us something? Who knows? Last pack of Paldea. Okay, I'm gonna go Grass Energy. Oh, that's our, like, third out of the 4 packs of Dark Energy. Pinchurin, Makuhita. I keep making whistling sound with this camera stand. I don't mean to do that. Alright. Move these cards over here. Magikarp, Slowpoke, Azumarill, Vespiquen, SQ, Krogunk, Faulkner, and hey! That's what I wanted, Chimpao. That's pretty cool, man. That's kind of what I wanted. So look, I can make the Baxcalibur Chimpao deck. Isn't that silly? Well, I think I need more Baxcalibur and more Chimpaos, but yeah. Type shit. And now we're on to the Scarlet and Violet stuff, which I don't know the pack trick, and I don't really know how to open these cards. Okay. I think I keep blowing into this, which kind of ruined the video, but I'll just have to look later and, well, oh well. Bro. This is not being very Sigma. Let's do it upside down. I'm not trying to bend the cards because that would kind of suck if there was a hit in this. Yeah, so. Also, these are the first packs I'm opening of 2025. Time of recording this is January 1st, 2025. Ah! I need to go. I'll be right back. Gotta go get scissors. Alright, I'm back with some scissors. Yeah. If you guys are watching this and you past subscribe to me, I did have a YouTube channel. Yeah, which I did Roblox videos on. So you're probably not used to this. What's this guy's name? Whatever. Sandile. Wiglet. Frick. That guy. Esperanza? Oh, and that was it. No hit for that. That's great. Now with this last pack, pull some magic out of that. Wouldn't that be pretty cool? Flababy. Flababy? Okay. Palmy. Pincone. Hey! Professor freaking Butthead, Professor Turo, and then Heracross. Well, that's about it. Only hit Chimpow. But yeah, I think I'm going to post this just raw footage. Yeah. And if you, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, that cringy stuff. Happy New Year's. Hope you guys have a good 2025. See you guys next time.